is that possible that the major ones are healthcare, food and beverage, chemicals and refining, metals? This would indicate to me that it's the reason why you don't have a lot of down years.
Well, I mean, we've always said our business is resilient, and we thought last year would be a good time to prove that. There are just growth opportunities in all these market spaces. In healthcare, we see growth opportunities. You know, you said something about hydrogen. You know, hydrogen is used to launch commercial space shuttles. Hydrogen is used to make biofuels. Hydrogen is used in fork trucks. We make dry ice to preserve vaccines. So there are a lot of applications that we find our way into, and that helps give us good resilience. I mean, obviously, healthcare, electronics, food and beverage, all those markets were quite stable throughout 2020, and they will be this year as well. And then we've kind of got this extra kicker called clean energy. But again, we have our tentacles in lots of little growth markets around the world.
Well, let's talk about one that is very important, your battle against COVID. You're there.
We are there, Jim. And, you know, we have a respiratory home care business in the United States that treats about 1.6 million patients. And that was before COVID. And then, of course, COVID began, unfortunately, in March of this year in the United States. And we developed COVID protocols working with the hospitals and working with Medicare to be able to relieve the burden from the hospitals, because obviously that's been a problem. And unfortunately, we're up to about 100,000 patients, and it goes up every day. So, you know, we ramped up healthcare capabilities all over the world, but in a place like the United States, we increased our capacity to provide oxygen to the hospitals. But in addition to that, we developed these protocols that take these patients out of the hospital as quickly as we could into the home and care for them there.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.